Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am super excited. My daughter went and got the mail. Mail isn't always fun unless you've got a little treat on the inside. So I've got a couple of videos I'm going to share with you guys real quick. Mainly because I want to put some of this in my stuff to take on the trip and work on. I'm so excited. Okay, so first off, this is the new Dilutions, which is Diane Reevely. These are just her Christmas image type cards that you can color in. These are going to be perfect for a long trip. Hands down perfect. So that is going straight in my bag next to me of my carry-ons. I also absolutely adore and love the tags. Now, Ranger has the great ones. I don't remember if Dina Weekly, but Diane Reevely's tags are wonderful. And I believe these are a size 10. I cannot remember. Yeah, 10. So these are mixed media tags. Yes, you heard me. Mixed media. Many years ago, I made tags for Christmas presents, and I did not use mixed media. And I learned my lesson because they'll curl and bend. But this is so much fun. So I am going to be making Christmas presents with this. Yes, that will not go with me, but I know I'm going to be on my trip thinking, I wish I had my stuff. All right. So these are size 12, and you get 10 of these. These are the cards, craft tags. I love these. Guys, this is the quickest, easiest journal that you can make ever for somebody. And I just can't say enough. It is so much fun. All right, then last but not least, I can't not order these and not get the black. I love these. Again, size 12, 10 tags. These are really stunning Christmas 12 days of Christmas type books. Stunning. They are gorgeous for photo albums too. So I love those. They are fantastic. All right. I also picked up Distress Collage Medium. It's always good to have. And look how nicely they pack it too. Love, love, love. And then I'm so excited. I think this was a kit. So let me pull this out. Yes. So they do such a great job packing, clearly. So these are the bigger back checks for Christmas. I don't normally buy Diane Reevely's because I'm more of a glass half full girl, but every now and then they can make me make me laugh. You know, go jingle your own bloomin' bells. Kiss you into the mistletoe. I wouldn't kiss you under anesthetic. I mean, she's really funny. Yeah, she's really cute. So those, I will find something like maybe in my own private journal. I don't know. These are going in the car so I can color those. I'm so excited. I'm making a stack as I'm going through this, and I love her trees. Love, love, love. I was so mad at myself this morning. I was like, oh no, I didn't get anything stamped for me to color on the way. And look what God allowed in my inbox, or my post office box. I was so thrilled. I was just like, thank you, God. I didn't, go crazy. I didn't get super upset. And look what came. And then here are some pre-colored collage type sheets. So I am taking these. I can sit and cut these in the car too. How much fun. And seriously, if you wanted to make someone, whoops, hold on. Okay. Look how nice this would look on that black. Seriously, the colors are gorgeous. Yeah, I mean, these are the right size. It would work. How much fun would that be? So, I don't know. Might have to take a couple. I don't know. We'll see. But I know I'm going to take these to cut out, and I'm going to take these others to color. So, that is a massive score, in my opinion, for the trip. I've been trying to get everything done for everybody, all the stuff, and just been running out of time. And lo and behold, I got mad at myself, and I thought, well, if I have time at like 2 in the morning tonight, I could sit up and get the, stamped out a bunch of images. And I just realized, you know what? That's so silly. You're going to make yourself sick, which is what I always do when we go on trips. But, yeah, no, God knew my need. He brought it in just in time. All right, friends. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you don't know, I'm a Christian, so I really appreciate things like this and the timing. Literally, as I'm packing the basket today, timing is everything. My brain's not going to be doing 20 other things. I can literally just set it right down there in my basket. So, all right, friends, I pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for staying to the end. I hope this encouraged you. And there are some really fun, silly, fun things that Diane Reevely has all new stamps out. If you've, keep watching my channel, I have things like that posted all the time. And yeah, let's just have fun this Christmas and enjoy it and celebrate the season. And yeah, I mean, it's just a beautiful time of the year. And I think this is going to be a great way to kind of get started, kicking it off in October. All right, friends, love you guys. Be safe. Pray your day's blessed, creative, and lovely. And like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.